Honda's CRF250R, it didn't get all the cool stuff that the 450 did. You know, it's still carbureted, and so it's not as hyped up. But I'll tell you what, it's a better bike than it was last year. At my skill level, the bike, I mean, it really makes me realize that you can go a lot faster. That's definitely the fastest bike, and I think that for a pro level guy, it would definitely be the way to go. For me, the suspension is a little too stiff, but the chassis is great, and I really like kind of how compact it feels. Everything's in the right spot. And the motor is definitely the most explosive of the group. I love the double exhaust, you know, the dual mufflers. It looks so, you know, it looks so good. It's got the same styling as the new 450 does, which looks great. The thing that I always like about Honda so much is that you climb on them and everything's right there. Everything is so comfortable. They just feel good, you know, everything's placed right. I don't have any problem getting used to them. You know, it doesn't take time to get used to them. It's just hop on and go fast. The brakes, they're stellar. Honda always has great brakes. It's just that bike for me it seems like I just can't quite push it to where it needs to be pushed.
The power was from the bottom to the top. It was great. Set the sag on that. I don't know. I couldn't really tell the difference between the Suzuki and the Honda, except for the power. The Honda by far had it beat.
The one thing I did notice right away, leading up to that big jump again, is how when it landed, it had a little hesitation, and it kind of ruined my momentum for the jump. Other than that, it corners very well. Great bottom end, good over rev, great handling. Good overall package as far as like how it feels under your legs and going through the rough stuff.